What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the Google has finally confirmed its upcoming Pixel 8 series launch, and it do looks more like the renders which we have seen earlier. Now Google has started officially sending the invites to the PR, and the phone is finally launching on 4th of October, and the event will be starting at 10 a.m. local time. We'll be sharing you more details on the updates on the same, but now the Pixel is indeed coming with the more options, and it will be coming with more of its phones, and apart from phone it will also be coming with the Google Pixel Watch 2 in the same event as well. Now not only that, Pixel will also be, there are certain chances this time around Google will also introduce their buds, Pixel Buds third of for the third generation. But what we know so far now is that's about its specifications for the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, we have always seen that Pixel was managed to undercut the Android flagship smartphone and not reaching that $1,000 price mark. So we are also hoping the same this time around, as the phone will be coming with the massive 6.7 inch of a 120Hz QHD plus LTPO OLED screen. We know it's a lot of things in a single display, so it's really coming with the flagship packed experience. Now it will also be powering with the Google Tensor G3 processor and paired with the 12 gigs of RAM, which is again crazy to have. Now phone will also be coming with a base storage of 128 or 256 GB storage, and it will also be coming with a ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, which will resolve the issue which we were earlier having in the Pixel 7 series. Now the camera setup is getting an upgrade, as it will be getting a 50 megapixel of a primary camera, a 64 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and a 48 megapixel of a telephoto camera in this phone. Now apart from that, the selfie camera of this smartphone is going to be of 11 megapixels, and the selfie snapper is going to be in the form of punch hole cutout as we usually know. The front display is going to be a curved display, so you don't have to worry, unlike the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And the battery capacity is going to be massive at 4950 mAh battery. But you won't be getting a charger inside the box, as we all know, as it will be coming with a 27 watts of fast charging support. Now the phone will be running on Android 14 out of the box from day one, unlike some of the flagship smartphones which are going to still release, are going to be coming with the Android 13 itself. So you can expect the major OS upgrades and the long-term upgrades from the Google Pixel smartphone. Now, not only that, the Pixel 8 is also coming with a 6.17 inch of a display, which is going to be a full HD plus resolution with a 120Hz of high refresh rate. The phone will be coming with a dual camera system, and it will be 50 plus 12 megapixel. Now the battery capacity is going to be a bit of a lower one at 4485 mAh battery and a 24 watts of fast charging with a wired one, and wireless charging capped up to at 12 watts of charging. Now one thing to note, this time around the Pixel 8 is getting a bit more smaller than expected, which is some of the positive things and negative as well, because the compact phone we don't usually see right now in the market. So what do you think about these smartphones? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.